Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: weight loss and dieting tips. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 practical tips to help you on your weight loss journey. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is all about mindful eating. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat that matters. Instead of mindlessly devouring your meals, take the time to savor and enjoy each bite. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This will not only help you control portion sizes, but also improve digestion and overall satisfaction with your meals. Tip number 2 is to focus on balanced and nutritious meals. Include a variety of whole foods in your diet, such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling satisfied for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options. Portion control. Keep an eye on your portion sizes. By controlling how much you eat, you can still enjoy your favorite foods while managing your calorie intake. Balanced plate. Aim for a balanced plate filled with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of colorful veggies. This will provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling satisfied. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This helps prevent overeating and promotes better digestion. Now that we've discussed healthy eating, let's talk about exercise and physical activity. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about improving overall fitness. Find something you enjoy. Discover an activity you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's running, dancing, yoga, or swimming, finding something you love will make exercise feel less like a chore. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals that align with your capabilities and lifestyle. This way, you'll stay motivated and celebrate small achievements along the way. Incorporate strength training. Don't forget about strength training. Building lean muscle mass not only helps with weight loss but also improves overall body composition and boosts metabolism. Let's move on to another crucial aspect of weight loss: grocery shopping and meal prep. These practices can set you up for success during the week. Plan ahead. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid making impulsive food choices. Use a meal planning calendar or app to streamline your grocery shopping and ensure healthier options. Read food labels. Develop the habit of reading food labels. Pay attention to serving sizes, calorie content, and avoid products high in added sugars or unhealthy fats. Prep and portion meals. Spend some time on meal prep. Chop veggies, cook proteins, and portion out meals in advance. This will save time, reduce temptation, and make healthier choices easily accessible. And that's a wrap, folks. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and a positive mindset. Incorporate these tips into your lifestyle, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.